Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. Finally, Fed has announced its tapering plan and about its interest rate plan for next 2 years. First, let's see what happens. Yesterday, Fed announced that it will not raise interest rate this year, and they have announced that new dot plot. And if you remember, I have covered what dot plot is. Last dot plot had only one interest rate hike in 2022. However, that changed yesterday. Currently, the Fed is anticipating raising interest rate three times in 2022, three times in 2023, and two times in 2024. Now, those who don't know the dot plot, the dot plot shows projection for the Fed interest rate. Each dot represents the view of a Fed policymaker for the rate target range. So that is what dot plot is. Every dot is a Federal Reserve member or governor. Now, next is what exactly happened regarding the tapering. Finally, Fed chairman announced that they will double their tapering and they will finish the tapering by the beginning of the year 2022. He said in his press conference that as far as the initiation of rate hikes, that will be data dependent as we look at levels of employment and initiate interest rate normalization till they have determined that the country is at maximum employment. Again, he tried to be more dovish than hawkish. I could say that Chairman Powell is most dovish chairman in Fed history, at least till since I am watching, because uh, he tries to paint a rosy picture as he was avoiding the transitory inflation thing. If you remember, the Fed is saying the inflation is transitory since 1.5 years. Now they have got it out of control and still they're trying to be dovish regarding the interest rate. As expected, tapering is doubled now. Now, monthly reduction will be $30 billion instead of $15 billion. That means Fed will increase their purchase of mortgage-backed securities by $5 billion and increase their purchase of US debt asset by $10 billion. However, they made no comment regarding reducing their asset sheet, which is around $8.6 trillion, and it has ballooned since pandemic have started. So again, Federal Reserve Chairman avoided one of the most important component of the monetary policy regarding that balance sheet statement. He didn't tell us that how he gonna reduce their balance sheet, which is nearly $9 trillion for now. Let's see what happens next. Now we have a very clear way of interest rate hike and tapering. Gold made lows around when Federal Reserve announced that they will be not be raising interest rate. So gold made low after that, but when Federal Reserve Chairman came for press conference and gave statement regarding interest rate hike and show us the dot plot, gold fired and made high around. After that, gold fire and recently it made high around 1784. I will be covering. Many of you were asking what could be the gold prices in 2022. Now we have clear data in our hand, so I will start covering gold prices in 2022 in my weekly videos as well. I will be keep giving hint regarding 2022. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel if you haven't done already. Now these are the levels from yesterday, so I will just remove them. I will post today's levels now. 1762 will act as support now. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect again gold to test up to $1750. Resistance at 1795. If gold break and sustain above this level, then expect $1800 and $1810. Currently, gold is trading in positive zone, so trade carefully. And if you are in selling, so you know what to do. Avoid going for sell. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Silver also made lows around 2140 and then bounced back. Recently, it bounced back and made high around 2218. Currently trading at 2212. It has also entered in positive zone, so let's find out the resistance and support. 2160 will act as support now. If market break and sustain below this support, then expect 2140 and 2120. Resistance at 2235. If silver break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 2260 and 2290. Currently it is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Gold and silver both have entered in positive zone. I would be covering more in my weekly analysis. Weekly analysis will be coming Saturday. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. Crude oil finally bounced back and entered in positive zone. So let's find out the resistance and support. 7020 will act as support now. If crude oil break and sustain below 7020, then expect 69 and $68. Resistance at 72.50. Above this, expect 73 and $74. Currently, gold, silver, and crude oil, all three commodities are trading in positive zone. Let's move on to euro. This is euro. Finally, euro tried to fight back from sellers. It made low around 2215 and finally bounced back and currently trading almost 1300. It had entered in positive zone, so let's give a look at resistance and support. 1230 will act as support now. If euro break and sustain below this support, then expect 1200 and 1170. Resistance at 1310. If euro break this resistance and sustain above this level, then expect 1330 and 1350. Currently, euro have also entered in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound. This is British pound. Yesterday, I have given a buy signal to my paid subscriber in British pound. The target have came yesterday itself. Currently, it is trading 32.55, and if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in description. Also join me for live stream from Monday to Friday 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is on your screen right now. Streaming channel link is in description as well. Now, pound have entered in weak zone. Not really, but it is trading in a very narrow range of resistance and support. Let me give it to you so you will have a clear idea right now. 32.30, that is the support today. If pound break and sustain below this, then expect 3200 and 3150. Support at 32.75, that would act as a resistance now. If market break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 3300. Currently, British pound is in flat zone. Nothing much is happening as of now. So if either break support or resistance, then only we would see some action in this British pound. Let's move on to Bitcoin, then we will go for Indian market. These are the levels from yesterday. They have to be changed now because Bitcoin have entered in positive zone now. Support now stands at 47,000, $10, 47,000, $10. Resistance, however, stands at $49,660. Currently, it is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. I will also start covering Ethereum from January. So if you are trading in cryptos, then make sure you subscribe the channel for daily levels. Let's move on to Indian markets now. This is Indian gold price, currently trading 48,360. Support stands at 47,800 rupees. If market break and sustain below the support, then only we'd see some fresh weakness up to 47,500. Resistance, however, stands at 48,680 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. once INR will close. So make sure you check community post around 5 p.m. by clicking the join button. This is silver. It is trading 61,400 rupees. Silver support stands at 60,320 rupees. Resistance, however, stands at 61,750. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. I will live stream today as well, because I usually live stream Monday to Friday 6:30 p.m. on streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is flashing on your screen right now. WhatsApp number is available in description as well. And if you have enjoyed this video, so please give a thumbs up. Your thumbs up, your like button really gives me motivation to make all videos. I will see you in live stream now. Till then, take care. Bye bye.